Bloop, 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 bloop. Get all the bubbles out. The car is doing okay.
Give me something to work with.
Okay. Building a bracket to hold a new radiator.
Because last night,
what happened last night? We did this.
I was inside because it was cold.
Oh, she was inside. I didn't want to throw you under the bus like that.
That's fine.
Yeah, she was inside. It was really cold. 0 Celsius,
it
centigrade, whatever you call it over here. It snowed.
So they were doing stuff.
But we got the radiator fitted last night.
I got the bracket.
Yeah, we got it fitted last night. Hose is done. Some things changed. We changed the throttle body over to, or we modified the throttle body to put an elbow where the traction control normally is. Because we don't need that, obviously. Now we're just tying the radiator down, putting the fans on, and wiring it. And then hopefully going for half day. It snowed there anyway. They had the snow plow this morning.
Record time, 2 brackets in like 4.5 minutes.
Bleeding the cooling system, new rad.
Got
the S13 radiator that was from Steve's car. It has a blown motor right now, so we're just gonna get him a new one. And then
new radiator.
Yeah, new radiator. 18 years we got here. My 18 years baby. Oh yeah, the mop. Round map. I know. Well, the thing. But anyways, dueling fan relays. We have a small 1400 CFM, not that great, but good enough for, well, better than what we had. And then another one over here that I don't know what it is, but they're triggered by the ECU, by the link, and it works. Ran a wire across, so we gotta clean that up. Oh, I got the CAN dash to work. Mark from Panic. I had to clear the codes first. I had codes on the ECU that would not let the CAN sync. Did that, bam, works every time now. Now we have water temp gauge and boost and oil temp and oil pressure and all that stuff in the dash all the time now. I don't have to key up every time. New hard hose here.
I really hope I can hear you.
It's fine, it'll be good. Yeah, it's coming together. We're gonna button this up and then go to the track.
Got those little things that make it so you can't curb your wheels. You didn't cut your zip ties. Are those for parking? So you don't curb your wheels?
Yeah, I couldn't find the dikes. I was trying to get the hell out of the shop. My cow. I'm tightening every coolant hose on the entire car because they keep blowing off, and it's literally because they just weren't tight. Like, that's one whole turn. Yeah.
Loosey goosey.
And some of the ones are really hard to get to. I tightened these.
Sorry, Jordan.
Oh, that's mint, dude.
Look at man.
That's mint. You didn't even wipe the water off of it. It's still wet with moisture. Oh, those are big runs. No, it's set up with the stop like perfect.
Okay. Beautiful. Gang, dude.
lovely.
The first drop of winter.
I thought we were both crashing into that orange car.
We were almost goners.
Yours was like you were like this close.
I know, but did you see the guy behind the orange car? There's a dude in the woods.
Yeah.
He
I
was
saw that.
out there in the woods?
On entry, too. There was an S chassis in the woods on entry.
Yeah.
They vegan?
No.
He
Black-
spun too.
black S chassis.
He spun out too.
We survived!
We made it.
Yeah.
Dude, when I saw him spin and you dive in, I had already taken the hit to drive up on your door, and I was like, what? I looked at her and I was like,
You're good. That's not
you
wide
had a
angle.
nice career.
I know.
Oh,
It's
man.
not even Missouri yet.
Yeah, but this is like, there's 30 cars on track, 40 maybe.
There's maybe twice as many.
Yeah.
I don't know how. This place is at max capacity. No more.
There's supposed to be 400 cars. Bloop, 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 bloop. Get all the bubbles out. Anyways, it worked today. We did lots of laps. I probably did 40 laps.
Yeah, and because of your car overheating, you were letting my car cool down because you would go cool
you
down
were
lap,
like,
and I'm
yes.
Your car's like, oh my god, thank you so
Isn't
much.
that
You
such
didn't
a
have
good thing?
You didn't have a bad lap. That was crazy.
No, it was great.
Every lap you had, I was just like,
there was
The
hammer.
car's got heat, literally overheat. But like it works. Everything works.
it looks good. You looked good.
It looks good drifting. Too.
Yeah, that's
It's
what I'm saying.
fast.
Yeah.
You looked all right.
To be fair, Chelsea could drift a brick and it would still look good.
I mean, this is a brick with just the front cracked off of it, basically.
Just
But
dropped on the
true.
corner.
Yeah,
No,
dropped on the corner.
everything I see, like I'm like, God, wagons don't look good drifting, but it works.
It works.
It looks cool.
It just doesn't look.
Ah.
It's like so not.
When you go to
sporty.
transition-
It's not sporty at all.
No.
It has a fucking roof rack on it.
Oh, I need the canoe,
Oh,
dude.
that's what you're
I'm gonna go get
missing.
some lumber. And
Put
strap
your
it
prize
to the-
money
so
in
when
it
it falls
tomorrow.
off on
Yeah.
Ooh.
Goes through somebody's window.
Ooh, yeah. No, it worked great. It's getting hot because it's getting an air bubble of some sort in there. So I'm gonna try to get a reservoir tonight, so that way when it pushes the coolant out, it'll at least have a way to suck it back in.
Well, and it'll have a
afterwards.
place to go too
Yeah.
instead of a soda can.
Yeah.
Coffee
Coffee.
can.
But yo,
Cinema
it literally took 1.5 liters of coolant.
After you had filled it up. That's cool.
Where's it going?
It's going out the can, going out the turbo, going out
Going everywhere.
Cue to that video of it soaking the top of the this thing.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh, it's
and
wet.
also, I do have a slight concern of why it's pushing open a 1.1 bar rad cap like every other lap.
Shut the mate. Not a big deal.
Not a big deal.
Well, there's no.
I'm
All
more
good,
concerned
bro.
about
All
Adam's
good.
bumper being made more of self-tappers than actual
No
bumper
problem,
material.
bro.
Don't hit the player, hit the game.
Why don't you just get bumpers?
They're rare when they got played.
They're
Just
rare.
get a
okay?
lip.
You know, it's, they're rare, so I'm gonna just keep hanging on forever. Yeah.
Close this shit out,
Yeah,
Chelsea.
I'm out later.
Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content. See you next
Chelsea's a
time.
YouTuber.
Like
Chelsea's
and
a
describe.
YouTuber.
Like and describe.